What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I have an interesting, to me, the video is exciting today. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First up, look at this thing. What is this? Okay, so let me tell you what it is. It is a 18-in-1 uh, device. I can't even call this a drill driver. You know how Bosch and Metabo, HRT, Milwaukee, all of them had their 3-in-1s, 2-in-1s, 4-in-1s, 5-in-1s. Well, this is 18-in-1. This thing is not just a drill. Somehow it's also a hammer drill. You got these two things. It's a pressure washer, a chainsaw, a jigsaw, reciprocating saw, an oscillating tool, apparently an air pump, okay, trimmers, an angle grinder. This thing is everything. A sander, an impact wrench, an impact driver. It's everything. Now, I don't know the brand. It's a no brand thing. I got sent this by some company that manufactures it and just asked me, like, would I be interested in buying this in mass and selling it? And I'm like, what? I'm considering it. I want to know what y'all think about this, because I'd have to buy a poop ton of them, okay? I'd have to buy so many of them. And I don't know. I don't have the money to just buy like 100 of these things or 200 of them. But I want to know what you guys think. I'm going to see if I can get like them to send me one and test it. In my mind, I don't think this is going to be that powerful. You know, the saying, jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes better than master of one. So I'm hoping, like, if it could do everything decent, this would be a nice thing to have. This would be a nice homeowner's tool, because you don't need to have, because most of us, we have a different tool for all these things. We have a whole different big setup for all these things. I know I do. It'd be great if could just give this to my mother and just say, hey, look, this, and have it come in a nice case, and everything's nicely organized, and this is all she needs, right? So anyway, that's that. I want to know what you guys think about that. Moving on, a few of the Facebook group rules. We had one guy complaining, what's up with all these events? These events, ooh, I'm quitting this group. All these events, spam. Well, bruh, I can't help the spam. I'm trying. These people are quite ingenious these days, and I wanted to do it live, but when I try to block some of these people, Facebook won't even let me. So they have like immunity, it seems, to run rampant. Just know all this stuff is fake. I don't have no affiliation with Amazon and hiring. So, again, these events are not real, okay? These events are not real. See, like, look, this MD4 hat, I tried to block this guy 3 times, and then once you finally do block them or whatever, it'll go to cancel. I got to come over here and manually delete them. Just don't pay it any mind, okay? So on to the better deals. Tractor Supply is killing it. It's just ridiculous deals. Everyone's posting in the Facebook group these crazy deals. So here we go. This Bosch brushless hammer drill. Okay, it's a kit. Comes with a 2-amp-hour battery, a charger, the hammer drill itself. There you go, more specs, $49.99. $99 was cheap, for real, but $49.99. $49.99 for all this. Now, this is going to be coming up at the end of the video. However, I just want to say, if you've gotten any value from this video so far, so you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, hey man, thanks for the video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any tool deals in the future. We know that the Bosch Pro Factor line, you have these deals going on over at Lowe's, where you buy any of these Pro Factor, which is Bosch's top of the line tools, the top of the line tools, and you get a free, the choice between a free battery and charger, so a starter kit, or 2 8-amp-hour batteries. Now, I've been telling y'all, always get the 2 8-amp-hour batteries, right? But here's what's happening right now. They're saying that the 2 8-amp-hour batteries are out of stock. This has happened before, like twice. Go out of stock, you check back later, and they're back in stock. So just keep refreshing. If you see this out of stock, keep coming back, because this extra battery is definitely worth the price of this charger. Now, this charger that comes with this 8-amp-hour battery is their rapid charger. It's a high-end charger. It takes Bluetooth and all that, but a charger's a charger, right? Get this, go back to Tractor Supply and get this little thing, get this kit. I mean, come on. It's going to charge that battery just fine. $49 for this whole thing. You could sell this drill or keep the drill. I mean, depending on what you're buying over here. If you're buying a Profactor drill, then you won't need this drill. But get an impact wrench or something over it. Keep this. It's going to be a good drill. Or if you don't want it, sell it and then keep the battery in the charger. Now you got an extra battery. And this was probably a wash. Sell this thing for $50. You good to go. So moving on. This is at Tractor Supply too. Guess for how much? Guess for how much? Guess for how much? The table saw and the stand, $199. Yes, $199, says Gregory. So can we go look? Boom. DeWalt 8.25-inch compact table saw, $199. Crazy. In Bradenton, Florida. There you go. So moving on some more. We have some more Tractor Supply stuff. But I got to go over to Lowe's real quick and show y'all something. So, oh yeah, and don't forget, while I'm at it, if you're going to do that Profactor stuff, don't forget your Rakuten. You see it pulsating up here. Your Rakuten, you're going to get your 2% cash back. And it's, if you don't know, Rakuten, Retail Me Not, all these are free cashback extensions. Just sign up using the link in the description. When you spend $30, you're going to get $30 as well on top of the 2% cash back. And if you've already done this, check out Retail Me Not because they are offering 3% cash back, okay? All right, so, and don't forget to redeem your cash back from Retail Me Not. I keep forgetting. Now, Rakuten automatically sends you a check. Retail Me Not sends it to like PayPal or something, I think, and you got to actually cash out. I forget all the time. I got like $120-something in there, and I need to go ahead and get that. But anyway, so that's that. So going back over here, so we have these Bosch 5-in-1s. I grabbed the Bosch 5-in-1 from Tractor Supply 2 days ago for $79. Yes, the whole kit. It was this one. It was the 140 FCB, not the 300 FCB. The difference is the 140 is brushed, and this one, that's only $30 extra here, is brushless. Now, if you were just buying this, I'd go for the brushless one because it also produces 1,750 RPM, whereas the brush one does 1,300. And this one has a little bit more torque at 300 inch-pounds, and this one is 265. But for $79, and if you don't believe me, because I know y'all seeing is believing, I took a picture. It's funny because I walked in there and I was like, should I buy this? I don't need it. I don't need it at all. I don't need this. I already have the big 18-volt version of this, which is ridiculous because it's heavy and it's big and it really, I don't think I would ever use it. Then I have the Metabo version of this. So why this? Well, I bought it anyway. $79. I knew this was like $2 something normally. So yeah, but it was on sale, regular price for $159, which is a great deal because it's $200 or more other places. But yeah, $79. So there you go with that. Let's see what else we got. Okay, moving on. Lowe's. Going back to Lowe's. Okay, look at this. Metabo 18 volt. So Metabo HPT, not Metabo. Jigsaw bare tool, $25.37, y'all. Look. Metabo 36 volt, brushless, 7 1/4 inch circular saw, $44.67. You seeing it right there in living color. Umberto, he got over, dude. $25. I'm buying this jigsaw, and I have a really good jigsaw. I have the Milwaukee jigsaw. I'm still buying this for $25 though. Lifetime warranty too. Boom, doing it. And I like the circular saw too. Lifetime warranty, boom. Hey, doing it. So there you go there. Moving on. This was interesting too. I just want to remind you guys of this deal I showed you maybe almost 2 weeks ago now over at Tractor Supply. So this right here at Lowe's, you buy this and you get one free. And this is crazy because if you think this is a good deal, this P60 reciprocating saw, I have this thing. We can talk about it. It has a great build quality. It feels just like the Milwaukee. It does. It looks like the Milwaukee, is just blue. It just comes with this super short blade, which is hilarious. But it has decent travel too. It has decent stroke length, 0.625, I think. Same as Milwaukee's M12 fuel, but this is just cheaper. So right here you have this for $119 with the free kit. So you buy this over at Lowe's, you get a charger and a 2 amp hour battery. Good, right? No, this is a horrible deal. Because if you go on over to Tractor Supply, for $149 you get the same one-handed reciprocating saw, this light, which is a decent light, 300 lumens, I believe. Yeah, 300 lumens, and you get this drill. Now, this drill is the exact same drill as this 5-in-1. It's just you can't disconnect the drill chuck or anything. It's a regular drill driver. But you get all that for $149. But wait, there's more. And it comes with two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger and a bag, right? So obviously that's a much better deal than just this thing. Just pay the extra, $30 and you get all that other stuff. Regular price, right? So I'll leave a link to that. But here's the thing. You go on over to the cart. We're about to get into some super good deals, y'all. If you thought what I showed you already was good, check this out. $69.99 in some places. That's how much I paid for it. $69.99 for all of that. Crazy. Now, you already see it. This Makita. Let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? Let's go in order. Moving on, hopping on over to Home Depot. Their special buy today is just stuff. What do you guys think about this Ryobi link system? I don't like it. Not $197. I don't think that's a good deal. And I just can't stand the green. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't like the color. But they had these big red bottle jacks, 30 ton, 50 ton, which is insane. It's insane. But I wanted to show you guys, and they do have this 20 ton, and it's a low profile one. I guess that defeats my purpose. I was going to just show you that it's the same price over at Walmart for the 20 ton. And now you don't always want a low profile one though, because usually you're using this on trucks, RVs and stuff like that, and they're high, so you want one of the tall ones usually. But I was just showing you that the 20 ton ones over here at Walmart are only $65. So you might not need 30 tons. That's humongous. So don't spend the $90-something when you only doing 20 tons will get the job done. Go to Walmart and get the same big red for cheaper. All right, moving on. I just thought this was hilarious. Look at this impact wrench, y'all. 4,200 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, it's pneumatic. You need air and all that. But isn't that crazy that just air could just produce this? I mean, this is for working on like oil rigs and stuff like that. Please don't use this on your car, okay? You're going to break some stuff. But I just thought it was funny because it's only $210 with 10% off. So it's like one something. I just thought that was funny. All right, so moving on back to Tractor Supply. Look at this Makita. This Makita. So let me show y'all what's happening over here. So this thing is normally $400, right, on sale. So you have this grease gun, which is normally the cheapest I could find, bare tool only, $267. Then it comes with the compact impact wrench that produces best in class, produces 430 foot-pounds of torque. Bunch of different modes. I mean, this thing is amazing. I have it. I've made a video on it. I think. I don't know. I know I made a video on it because it was cheap one day on Amazon. Can't remember how much it was, but it was cheap. It comes with a 3 amp hour battery, this flashlight, charger, and a hard case. All of this. Guess how much? $249. You saw it in the cart. $249. Now, if you just go to the listing and say, "Oh man, Chris, yeah, thank you, dog. I'm going to buy that." No, you're not. It's in store only. But if you want to figure out which stores have it, go to the listing. I'll leave the link in the description. And then you want to click nearby stores and just find one near you. And then boom, it should be $249. And then you can go pick it up. The nearest one to me is almost 2 hours away. But look, and it's new. I found it funny. It seems like these deals that they're posting that are new, it's glitchy for whatever reason. I don't know why they're instantly on clearance, even though they just came out. But yeah, this is a lot because, like I said, this grease gun is only $267. Then battery, flashlight. Let's just call this $50. I mean, I don't know. Then this is like 200, I think, normally. So this is already like 467, almost $500 just with these two things, and you're getting this stuff too. And for 249, you basically just buying this impact wrench and getting all this other stuff free. Crazy, crazy deal. I don't have a grease gun either. I mean, I have a mechanical one, manual one, but all right. So what else? Oh, and I think this is the last thing. No, no, no. I got one more thing for you. Tractor Supply has these safety glasses for $10. I got some yesterday. These Stanleys, and y'all know Stanley's basically is the Walt. Stanley Black and Decker owns all those companies. Now, uh, I like these over the Milwaukee's. I want to just get them to see which will be more comfortable. It comes with a strap that you can take off, so you can just wear them just like this, or you can wear them with the strap that ironically is not in the pictures. But I like the gasket. This is one that's more comfortable because with the strap you can adjust it, make sure it's snug around your face, and no dust is getting in there. I mentioned it before with the Milwaukee's. Granted, you can remove the shroud and all that, but they don't block all the dust. Still always have some stuff on the inside with the Milwaukee, but that would never happen because it'll be super snug to my face, and it's a better fit on my face overall. These are more comfortable, and they're anti-fog, and so yeah, I like these. $10, that was a really, really good deal. I'm thinking about returning all those Milwaukee ones I bought. So that's that, and then over at Tools Plus, and this is it. I never told you guys about it because I wanted to reach out to Tools Plus, which I did months ago, and they never got back to me. I like literally did it over the summer. They never responded to me about their make an offer deal. So they have this make an offer thing, and there's like, oh, sometimes you'll just save a few pennies, sometimes you'll save a few hundred. Just make an offer on any of these things. So the way it works, let's see, like, all right, so this shockwave kit. And there is no offer. So okay, so let's go out of that. What about these batteries? I know it's one on this. All right, so what you do, you have to sign in, make an account, click make an offer, and then you make them an offer and you tell them how many they're going to buy. They're going to manually review it. The thing is, you're obligated to buy it once they accept it. So don't just type in anything. Give them your strong best offer and be prepared to buy it because you have to just like eBay. Once you made that offer, you got to buy it. So I wanted to show you guys that it's a lot of stuff in their little make an offer section. And you see some of the stuff is buy one, get one. So that's pretty cool there. Unfortunately, there's no Rakuten or anything like that over at Tools Plus. Let's see about Retail Me Not. Nope. If we knew if it was Rakuten, it would like highlight itself. So there's nothing going on over here with that. But again, knock yourself out, make an offer. Let us know how it worked out for you and how much you saved. So anyway, that's today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time.